Staying at home is among the most enjoyable moments in your daily life. That's if you have a cool place to stay at. One such an area is your backyard or patio. Your backyard is an expansion of the activities that take place inside your house. It's typically more vibrant, informal, and enjoyable, with the options limited only by the landscape, your creative talents, and your DIY know-how. There are different styles you can use to make your backyard beautiful and comfortable. A landscape architect or designer can help you to achieve the full potential of your outside area. You can also refer different materials and get to work on your own. In either case, you need some inspirational ideas, and we have gathered you some of them in this video. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A knowledgeable specialist can assist you in determining a style, determining who will use the yard, establishing recreational zones, selecting materials and flowers, and proposing constructors and builders for anything from pools to outside buildings to irrigation installation. If you have a tiny outdoor area, space is limited, and hence you should look at small patio decorating ideas to maximize your available space. One idea is to build a bench into the side of your house or along one wall of your patio. It will seat multiple people and take up less room than the equivalent number of chairs. The second thing you should do is match your shapes. If your outdoor space is round, look for a round table. For a rectangular patio, try a matching long table. This will enable you to use the space effectively without creating dead corners. Add a European twist to your deck by swapping wood for colorful tiles. It's sure to brighten the backyard and make other patio ideas look good. A beautiful statement like this is best paired with minimal, slimline furniture. An outdoor dining table and chairs could be just the thing your deck needs. When buying your patio furniture, look for items that can serve a dual purpose. You could purchase a coffee table with a removable top. When closed, it's a normal coffee table. Hidden underneath could be a cooler for storing drinks on a hot day, or a fire pit to keep you warm during the cool nights. Maximize your patio space as much as possible. Take stone and patio furniture ideas further with a fully functional outdoor kitchen and living space next to the pool. An integrated space centered around a hub like a kitchen or bar area is ideal for entertaining. Moreover, the generous design is made for amplified entertaining. You'll certainly be able to host many more than just your closest friends and family. A smaller patio has an advantage when it comes to choosing your decor. You can choose multiple bold and bright colors and not worry about it becoming overwhelming. Try adding large, brightly patterned ottomans or poufs for extra seating. When arranging your furniture, place your chairs or couch towards the outer edge. This gives you the most centralized and usable floor space. Face the furniture in order to provide the longest sight lines possible. Looking out over your backyard gives the illusion of the small patio space being bigger. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.